ago, I made this amazing slime. I think it's fluffy, but I didn't even add shaving cream. It's probably just glue because some glue has shaving cream in them, and one of them in mine did. So I have fluffy slime here. You can do this. It's really amazing. You can do this. And sorry if I always talk over my videos. I'm going to make a bubble, which I'll try to do that. I always have to paint it for you. So, done it for a second. And I love about this is like, and it's so stretchy. I'll tell you things that you need for this, how to make this. Any color of paint, and I use like this pinkish color. There's like orange now, and it's like it's supposed to be pink, like a pinkish color, but it's like an orangish color now. But I love the color, and I use light glue, Elmer's, and different kind of glue. It was Strong Environment, and I got that from Dollar General or Family Dollar, which one, it doesn't matter. Dang, wrong way. I use contact solution from Dollar General. Oh, yeah. Dollar General. There's a bubble. So just went bye. And baking soda, which I don't know where I got that from. I already had it at home. So, yeah, that was my video. I hope you enjoyed my slime. So,